But then, as I got to that, what would have been the fourth album, I'd become much more involved in the whole recording process and was starting to produce. And it just became a kind of slightly different path than the one I'd imagined a few years beforehand. So there was never an intention to go for such a long time without doing shows at all. It just kind of went off in a different direction.
Were you thinking you'd play more live shows?
I can't remember. It's a very long time ago. And there were a couple of points where I thought that I would get a chance to do some live work. But for whatever reason, it never really happened.
Yeah, I know what that's like. Were you nervous at all about joining me on BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO?
Yeah, I was terrified. The idea of putting the show together was something that I found really interesting and really exciting, to be able to put a visual theatrical piece together. But to actually step into it was something that I had to really work hard on.
Why is that now?
Because I was terrified of doing live work as a performer again.
I think everyone likes you being on the podcast. I know I do, Weenie Mushane. But why now?
It just felt like the right time. It was a fun idea to toy with, but actually pushing the button to go was something that I had to really seriously build up to.
Yeah, and speaking of building up to, hey Michael, you got that intro music all queued up? Oh, good. All right, well let's start the show then. All right, cue in music in 3, 2. BOOZHOO ni Janashanabedoog. Welcome back to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. And my name is Nana BOOZHOO, and I'm here with Weenie Mushane, Natasha. I'm here with my sweetheart. And today, our special word is Sunday. Anami'e-giizhigad. Anami'e-giizhigad. Now, some of you might remember Giizhigad from Anami'e-giizhigad, good day. But what is Anami'e-giizhigad? Do you know? Anami'e, prayer day. It's prayer. Anami'e is prayer. You know, we don't say Sunday, we say prayer day. Anami'e-giizhigad. Anami'e-giizhigad is prayer day. And, yeah. That's our word for Sunday, Sunday, Sunday. Go down to the track and see your monster trucks. Hey. Okay, well, that's all I have for today. You got anything you want to add to this? No? All right. Well, our word today, Anami'e-giizhigad, prayer day, also known as Sunday. Okay, well, we'll be back tomorrow. Ishwa Anami'e-giizhigad. We'll be back day after prayer day, Monday. Don't you like how they do that? In Ojibwe, we have like prayer day, and then Monday would be day after prayer day. And Tuesday's Anami'e-giizhigad, second day after prayer day, you know. Yeah, okay, but that's for another show. You've been watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I will see you again. Higawaba min Minowa. Oh. Okay, good enough. Did you get that, Michael?